Forget store-bought decorations. This Halloween, let's craft something from scratch. Paper Mache Pumpkins are the ultimate DIY project for anyone who loves creativity, texture, and that handmade Halloween charm. They're light, durable, and completely customizable, perfect for creepy displays or elegant autumn decor. Today, we're exploring the best paper mache pumpkin ideas to bring your imagination to life. Ready to get messy in the most magical way? We'll go step by step, from creating the base form to shaping and painting, and finally adding unique spooky details. Whether you're going for rustic, haunted, or modern, paper mache pumpkins can take any theme you dream you're. Every pumpkin starts with a simple form. Begin with a balloon or crumpled paper base. Then layer strips of paper coated in glue or paste. The goal is to build a sturdy, rounded shape that feels organic, not perfect. Slight bumps or uneven curves will give your pumpkin real character. Once the layers are dry, you can gently pop the balloon or remove the inner paper and reinforce the top and bottom. The structure should feel light yet solid, ready to be transformed. What's your favorite kind of Halloween pumpkin? Spooky, cute, or realistic? Tell us in the comments which paper mache pumpkin style fits your vibe this year. Once the structure is dry, it's time to bring it to life with color and definition. This is where your pumpkin's personality shines through. Use darker tones in the grooves and lighter tones on the raised areas to create depth. A little shading makes a huge difference, giving your pumpkin a realistic or moody effect depending on your theme. If these paper mache pumpkin ideas inspired your inner crafter, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love creative Halloween projects. Now comes the best part, the finishing touches. These small details take your paper mache pumpkin from craft project to Halloween art piece. You can group your pumpkins together for a centerpiece, stack them for a tiered look, or mix them with candles and foliage for a cozy Halloween display. Each one is unique, and that's the real magic of paper mache. For more DIY Halloween decor, festive crafts, and easy seasonal projects, be sure to subscribe and join us for more creative inspiration. And there you have it, your handmade paper mache pumpkins, crafted with creativity, patience, and a bit of spooky spirit. From raw paper to haunting masterpiece, you've created something one of a kind. These pumpkins don't rot, don't fade, and can return year after year, just like your love for Halloween crafting. This season, let your imagination lead the way. Because every paper mache pumpkin tells its own Halloween story, handmade, heartfelt, and hauntingly beautiful.